Okay.
Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and we have simulated a little problem while you're cutting your mural or wallpaper over a doorway around which you're not going to be filling in the reveal. Okay, this starts another room, so they want the wall covering just cut exactly according to the rough opening. I mean the finished opening. So we simulated a problem. Okay, you see this? Now, I'm going to show you how to cut it right up against the woodwork. See, we don't even scratch the paint. But now what happens when your hand goes, what's the word, funky? And I have now 1/4 inch of overhang. Can you fix that? Absolutely. I'm going to show you how. First of all, I'm going to show you how to cut the wall covering exactly to size, all right? You're going to open your knife, and this is the only time I want you to open this knife all the way. Otherwise, you need to keep it down with only 1 or 2 of the breakaway showing. Now, we're going to cut, without cutting the door, I'm going to feel, I want to cut more of the paper here, more than less, because I have 2 layers here. It's too much to cut exactly, so just watch me. Okay, so now I'm going to hold it, and now I go up to now all the tension is relieved. Now, watch this. If you start up against this corner, you can see it here, I'm pressing it in, you're going to cut too much. I want you to start 1 inch or 2 away from it with an extended blade, holding it like a pencil. Watch this. Come toward the opening. Watch this now. Can you come closer? I want them to see it right here. Now my blade is going to stop at the wall. I can't cut too much because it stopped right there. Now watch this. I'm turning it upward, right up against the door. How can I go wrong, right? Okay. Now watch this. I'm going to hold this down. I'm going to cut it for you. Now you got to go a little quick so that it cuts nice and sharp. Now, if this doesn't work, there's one other procedure to show you to make it work right. See, my blade's getting stuck, but you see when I hold it nice and tight, you see what happens? Now, what do you got to do there? I want you to put extreme tack glue on there, because guess what? That's where humidity's going to get in. Your air conditioner varies in humidity. You have variations in the moisture in the air. That's going to compromise that over 2-3 years. And then what happens? It starts lifting, and then it looks ugly. But not if you put clear caulking or extreme tack glue right on the edge of it. Now let's finish off our thing. Now look at this. Let them see this. Now you see this is a swinging door, okay? Obviously we can't put it in there, probably not. Now how do I cut the rest of this nice and sharp? You want a professional cut? If you cut too much, it's gonna look like garbage, right? So I'm gonna show you the way to do it. Make sure your paper's down against this corner. Okay. Now, even if I overcut it here, watch what you can do. Didn't I just move it over a 1/64 of an inch? You don't want to be doing that too much. But guess what? You just fixed the problem if you overcut it by a 1/64. Now, here I go. I'm going to cut it. And normally I would have a helper hold it up, or somebody else. Because guess what? If this isn't nice and tight to the corner, my cut's gonna be off. Okay, here I go, wish me luck. Now, remember, I have it extended. I'm holding the paper up, don't forget this. And I got the blade, look, the blade is fully extended. And I'm gonna hold my paper up. I'm gonna pull it down, keep pulling, putting pressure on that paper so nothing changes during the cut, okay? Now you wanna get a little quick toward the end, right there. Now, cut it out. Meaning, go a little wider, more than you need. This way, in case, just to be able to see what's going on over there. Okay, good, I'm at my corner. Now, watch this. Take this off. Clean your substrate, clean it off. This glue, once it dries, it can lift the finish off of paint. So you want to get that off. 1 second, hold on. Now, let me just show you my cut, okay? So we hold it nice and tight, nice, clean. Look at that nice, clean, crisp cut. Okay, now, even this is clean. But I did want to show you a procedure that if that were to have failed, I want to show you. All I want you to do is simulate the edge of the reveal. This is the reveal. Okay, now let's say, okay, like we have right here, see that? See, we have a little hanging. That's not professional, that's not perfect, right? So what I want you to do is take your time, first of all. You're working with sharp blades, and make sure this door don't open because somebody could actually stab me with this. Now watch this. Back and forth like a saw. You seeing this? Back and forth, look at that. Perfection. This is Spencer Colgan. Thanks for watching Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. See you on the next one. Click on like and subscribe. Thank you.